Today, let's ask Grok to make EDA for us. Oh, the police is back. Okay. Let's see how does it respond and what will be the output of this. I'm very curious and excited about it. Let's see. First, let's ask it only to, give me a prompt, like how to make a GTA, so that it will only think and give me a really good prompt. It's creating a full stack developer and designer. It has given open world, skills missions, almost everything is covered obviously. And then we have anything sensors. It's giving a full game as expected. Let's start the timer because we have to check how much will it progress. So the timer started. Let's work again. Now we have got the prompt about us, and we just paste the same thing and ask it to create this game. Let's see what's output. Oh damn. Why is this computer box excellency down? It was great. Look at it. Oh shit. I created a direct game over here. Anonymous. The response. Let's give it a number. Oh, it started a game over here only now. But I do not want this. I want to play it over here, obviously. Oh no. Being okay, it's creating a Python based game. Okay, let's do it over here. Grok said us just to take this and there's a core into .py file and I'll see that. It is a file. Okay, fine. Let's try. Let's create GTM time and then let's paste the code. Let's just run it. GTM time. Let's see. Oh, you're not saving time. Okay. Let's try one. Type your name to begin. What can I get up? But I don't want this. It's good. It was a good try. Let's stop it. Okay, fine. Let's try again. Let's tell it I do not want it under terminal. Make it a real game. About this. Let's go for this. $HTML. Got it. HTML, let's paste it and then this and then this. Let's run this. Or down.
Woohoo!
Damn.
Yay!
This is crazy. Okay, it have given me really good something, I don't know. Type command, okay. Go north. Oh, this is a typing kind of a game. Got it. You are everyone's running over to the guy for the searching for you. Screen. Nice, looks good. Oh yeah, I don't want this. So let's stop this also. I want something else. Let's make it a real one. We do have 22 minutes left. Let's continue. I do not want text based game. It should be many 2D. Let's try with 2D first. Right, 2D features, controls, G, W, S, R, B, arrow keys, and this is perfect. Let's try this. Very excited. GTA HTML, and let's test it. Let's run with the live server. Oh damn. Okay, it's moving. I can move it. This is our player. Okay. Oh, bro. Low. Yeah. How to move it now? Oh, okay. It can go forward. It can't go backward. No, right, no left. Oh, okay, I got it. These are the people. Nice. This looks good only. Bro, I'm gone. Where am I? Wait, how do we, shoot people or something like that? Where are you? Okay. Use F2 and exit the car space to shoot zone. Bottom input, okay. F2 and exit the car, but where is the car in this now? There's just a car. F. There's a car. F. No. Again gone. Well. Try to top a steal a car. How do I topper? Nice. Okay. Let's make it more good. Yeah, we do have 19 minutes left. Make the best. Many issues. No map also. And okay, let's this are let's go back to the city. We have got the final code, and this was signed a lot of time. It's also having cheats. Great. Let's try. Okay, let's just give it a try. Copy. And then this is PGA 2.0 version. The HTML. Okay, let's scan the Untitled Live 7. Okay. FM is working. Oh, crazy. This is moving with the mouse, okay. This is the map that I can see. Oh. What is this happening? Okay, it's moving. Nice. This is much better. This is really better. Safe house. Okay, we do have a safe house also. And we have left 30 minutes and let's try again. Okay, so it's done. The GDX LCD. Let's see. Okay. Let's try it again. This is our 3.0 version. GDA 3.0. Let's see. Okay. Oh shit. This is crazy. What is this? The time is running. Okay, this is much better. Go move, bro. Okay, let's move now. Okay. But why are you writing here? Oh, it can shoot also. Yeah. Time we have 8 minutes more. Selection. And let's see how much will we get this version. Let's try. I hope this looks really good. Let's go right there. GD for version that HTML. And then let's just run this open server and what is this, bro? Let me see. I don't know the camera. Okay. Oh shit! How do I shoot? We cannot shoot, right? No, it's not shooting. But still, this time can make it more limited. Oh my god! I'm going to be buildings now. Okay. Let's change it again. How much time? 6 minutes left. Oh shit! Let's run faster. Guys. Let's try for the other one. Okay, we are done with the final game maybe. Let's see. Let's try to copy this. And this will be our first version. GD and let's just inside. Okay. Go to time left. How much time do we have? 3 minutes. Let's set this. Nothing is visible. Finally, we have the final version ready. Let's try this one. There are a lot of things. Let's see. Let's paste it here. Let's open this and see. Let me start. Bro. Oh shit, that shit. Okay, let's go some more and see how much you can get. Okay.
Woohoo! Yay!
Oh, the police is back. Okay. Oh, I do have 2 stars on now. Damn. Okay, this is good already, not bad. Basically, it's good in making 2D games only, I should say now. We got a star and now we can. Cool. This is the final version that I've got. Okay, fine. And it's looking really good. And that's kind of protecting, like, GTA only. That's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. For more such content, suggest me what do you want in the comments. Bye.